I needed some travel toiletry bottles, so I got these. I love that they come in a TSA-approved zipper bag, and I love that they're silicone and easy to clean. So let's go through them and see if they're worth it for you. Take them all out, you get 4 TSA-approved bottles, as large as you can get. You get 4 containers for whatever you need. These are completely reusable and they'll last forever. So let's look at each one. Close up, you can see that they do label their size, 90 milliliters or 3 fluid ounces. You can pop it open right here, and it's a no leak spout. I'll put that to the test in a moment. And then this whole part comes out too. You can twist off this top, but then this piece of plastic that's hard here can pop off the silicone, and this whole piece is very easy to clean thanks to that design. So each of these parts you can just scrub out when you need to if you're switching out what toiletries you're putting in there, or if your shampoo or conditioner got old and dried out, which I find happens to me because I don't travel too often, and when I do, I usually need to clean these out. So I don't often fill them all the way, but they're perfectly sized for if you're going on a long trip and you need all that shampoo or conditioner or body wash or face wash, whatever you need to go in these. And then to put them back together, you just take this and squeeze it back in. And now that is actually pretty stuck on there. Yes, if I pulled really hard, actually I can't even if I pull really hard. Oh, there we go. If I pull really, really hard, I can pull this whole piece off, but you actually are not going to pull that hard. There's never a reason to. So it's stuck on there real good, and that keeps a really good seal. Thanks to that silicone going over the lip, there's no leakage once you twist on this top. And now it is a leak-proof container, completely reusable, BPA-free, all the good stuff, exactly what you want. So let's fill this up and put it to the test. I'm gonna fill it up with some 3-in-1 body soap. I think this is a good test because it's very liquidy. Unlike a shampoo or conditioner, it could leak. So let's put some in. Okay, I've put in about that much. I'm gonna stop there. Put the lid back on, and now I can flip open this top, and you can see right there, there's the opening. If I hold it down, it won't come out at all, but if I squeeze, it squirts right out. I'm gonna do that one more time. It's not leaking at all. And then I squeeze, and it comes right out. As for color ranges, there's quite a variety, so pick the one that you like. I liked this one because it's very neutral with kind of a bluish gray, blue, dark gray, and black. And right here, you can add your label for whatever product is in here so you know what you have. And then finally, this travel container is great. I would probably just put 2 in it and then fill it with other toiletries, makeup, different things that I want to have with me. And then when you're ready, just zip it right up. Very easy, good quality, and exactly the right size for TSA carry-on if that's the way you want to go.